Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make salted caramel brownie truffles. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Last week, some friends offered me a brownie. I accepted, of course, because brownie. What they gave me, though, was no ordinary brownie. It was a sea salt caramel peanut butter fudge brownie, and it was quite possibly the best brownie I've ever eaten. One of my friends said, "You should make a candy like that." So here we are. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own salted caramel brownie truffles, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of light corn syrup, 2/3 cup of heavy cream, 2/3 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter, 3/4 tablespoon of salt, and 1 cup of finely crumbled brownies. For the coating, I used 1½ cups of dark chocolate melting wafers and 1 tablespoon of sea salt flakes. I also used a large saucepan, a thermometer, an 8x8 baking pan, a spatula, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. Place the sugar and corn syrup in a large saucepan over medium-high heat. Stir until the mixture starts to boil. Add a thermometer and cook without stirring until the mixture reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit, adjusted for altitude. Carefully add the cream and butter. Stir continuously until the mixture reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the pan from the heat and let it cool for a couple of minutes. Microwave the peanut butter for 30 seconds, then stir the peanut butter and salt into the filling until fully incorporated. Add the brownie crumbs and mix well. Pour the mixture into an 8x8 baking pan and refrigerate until it's fully set. Let the mixture come to room temperature, then slice the mixture into as many pieces as you'd like. I went with 64. Take a piece of filling, roll it into a ball, and place it on a lined cutting board. Continue with the remaining pieces. Melt the chocolate wafers according to the package instructions, then dip a ball into the melted chocolate, allow the excess to drain, and return it to the cutting board. Immediately sprinkle it with a little bit of sea salt. Continue with the remaining pieces and place them in the refrigerator until set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. Well, how about that? I think I nailed it. Chewy caramel with a touch of salt, just enough peanut butter to be noticed, and the brownie crumbs and chocolate coating make this treat into an absolute delight. If you like your peanut butter brownies with a salty caramel kick, you really ought to try these. Add a thermometer and continue. No, add a thermometer